Hi lovely people, my name is Samir and today I am doing a review of YouTube thumbnail monster from the pool. Okay, so guys, just enjoy the scenery. Look at this. I'm in a pool and behind me there is a nice lovely ocean. Yeah, and this is what you can achieve when you do internet marketing. I'm living the internet marketing lifestyle. Okay guys, so what I want you to do is take this thumbnail monster and at least start doing launch jacking, and I will help you with that. So let's dive into the review of thumbnail monster, and I will tell you all what I have for you in store and what this thumbnail monster is all about and what I will be giving you as my bonuses. Okay guys, so let's jump into the review of this thumbnail monster. Okay, so guys, this is the thumbnail monster. Now these are just a few examples, okay, and there are 300 plus such kind of thumbnails where you can just click and edit any of these words the way you like. Okay, so basically you can put whatever you want in a simple matter of minutes. So this is what a thumbnail monster is all about. And you can do a lot of things like this, guys. You see, these images are very attractive, and if you've seen, the most engaging videos are the ones which have a lot of good images, because that is the one which makes you click the video. So this is what you'll be getting on the front end, and I really recommend this. Now guys, this is a simple thing. Below this page there is a whole tutorial of this monster thumbnail monster, and this is just one of the file I have opened, and it has a lot of different type of niches slides which are already YouTube sized. So this is what you will be getting. Okay, now if you're planning to get this from my link, this is what I will be giving you. So let's look at this. So this is what you will just go on here and see that video. So I'll be giving you my marketing video marketing, okay, how to rank on page 1. Now if you look at my videos and you type in the keyword of the video, you will see I will be ranking on the page 1 of YouTube and Google. So this is what I will be doing. I will be showing you how to rank your videos on page 1 in the year 2019. What is the easiest way, what you will require, everything I have covered there. The other thing I will be giving you is a very good plugin which helps engagement. Okay, so what it does, this plugin, it's like, enhances sharing of the videos and all that kind of thing. So this is something which will be handy if you're getting YouTube thumbnail monster. Then I will also be showing you how to advertise in Google using AdWords. Okay, now that is another crucial thing which you will be getting. Now these are trainings which are really valuable. They are not something bonuses which you'll get anywhere else apart from my link. Okay, again I will give you a course on social traffic. This is a fully fledged course. It's not just a rehashed course. Traffic Titan is by Art Flare. This is a fully fledged course, something which is detailed covered about traffic. Easy Profit Secrets, again it's about how to profit very fast, and it is by Art Flare. This is another course. So another one is Printly Awakening. Now these are all courses, okay? These are not some kind of just marketing gimmicks, okay? These are not some PLR products. These are real courses which I have arranged for you to be getting. So 5-Figure Freedom, that is by Brendan Mays, okay? Jono Armstrong and Brendan Mays, if you know them, then 5-Figure Freedom is from Brendan. This is a case study, how I made $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook groups. And we talk about high ticket selling here. So you have to look at that. This is again by Brendan Mays. Bing Ads Mastery, okay? I know people, you guys know how Bing Ads is powerful, and I'll be giving you Bing Ads Mastery if you are getting this course from my link. Now the other thing which I will be doing also will be giving you Google Display Network hacks, SEO ranking tactics, grow your profit fast with live video. Now there is recording a video and uploading it in YouTube, but there's something which we call live streaming. So live streaming secrets we are covering in this bonus, okay? And then how to write compelling headlines, whether it is for email marketing, whether it is for your YouTube headlines, what should you write? So guys, there is once you log in to your Warrior Plus or JVZoo, depending on which platform you're buying from, then you will get the bonuses on those links. Now guys, you know, many people might be asking, what can I use this for? So basically you can be using this for launch jacking. If it's a product launch or a digital product launch, it doesn't matter, and you know that it is launching, then you can actually use these thumbnails. Or you can go into local marketing and tell the people who you know you want to advertise for, or you want to you can tell them, look, if you have your videos, I can increase your engagement of the videos by giving you some custom made thumbnails specifically for your video, and you will see the click rate on the videos improve, you know. Or you can put this in, you know, banners in websites. I mean, there is vast things, many things you can do with this, and I really recommend you pick it up, because this one will help you guys. If you do something about it, definitely it will be very helpful. Now creating such kind of professional images, I know, and you also know, that it is very expensive to hire some kind of designers and then give them ideas and all that kind of thing to come up with such kind of images. So I believe if you download these images, you can even resize them and use them on Facebook ads. So this becomes your Facebook advertisements, and you know, there's many things you can do with this, okay? So the limit to how you can use this is limitless. I really recommend you pick it up, and let's talk on the next video review. Thank you.